Hey guys, what's up? Today I'm gonna show you how to shuck a drive. I know it's not new for those people who's been doing this for a long time. It's been there for years, but I'm just gonna show you how to do it because it's my first time to do it. So let's just try it. So here is the Western Digital Elements, which is a cheaper option. Whenever you buy a Western Digital Red for your NAS drive, for your network drives, the Reds are very good because they could handle a beating. They're expensive, so what people do is they try to buy this one. They're on sale most of the times. They're high capacity. This is a 10 terabyte drive. So yeah, what's gonna happen is we're gonna open it. It's much cheaper. Like it could be around 60% off of the, I don't know, depends where you get it, but yeah, they put it on sale and people try to get it and they modify it that way you can use it on your regular drive, because usually when you put this on your regular computer or when you use it as a drive, it has a disabled button wherein you can't use it, but there's a mod for it. Anyway, I'll open it now and I'll show you what's inside and we'll show you shucking. So yeah, we'll see. So first things first, when you take it up out of the box, it's just like a normal drive. It's the Western Digital drive. It's this one here. So we're just gonna try to open it and we'll try that. We're not gonna break the case. So let's do this. So guys, I don't have any tools for opening this drive. Usually you have something to pry this open. But the thing is, what I'm going to use now is I'm going to use my propellers from the Mavic Pro. I don't have the Mavic Pro anymore, and I've cut a card here because you can use those picks for the guitar, but I'm using this card here for it. So we're just gonna try to pry it open, that way we don't break the case. So let's do it now. First things first, let's just try to pry this open inside here, that way we can open it, and then we're gonna put those things. Well, you'll see how it goes. You'll see. Okay, now that we placed this propeller up here, we're going to try to pry ourselves in. We're going to put this card here because it's going to serve as a stopper. This stopper is going to be used to stop it from closing because it's gold stopper, of course. Yeah. There you go. So it's gonna look like this. So we're gonna slowly pull it out. I don't know if this has been opened already because it's so quick. When I tried to open it, it just popped out quick. So see how this goes. So you're just gonna slowly pull this out here. Slowly. Okay. Yeah, it's out. So here's it's coming out and it's coming out. So yeah, this is the drive now. It's Western Digital 10 terabytes EMAZ. So in Australia it was AZ, US you say Z. Yeah, that's how it is. But here it is. So the only way to get this is we're just gonna yank this out. There's rubbers all around here. And then once we take it off the rubber, yeah, we're gonna test it and we're gonna put it on our hard drive. Oh no, not yet. We're gonna modify it that way it's gonna work, because it has one pin that supplies power and it turns off the drive. So let's do that. Gawas. Gawas na. Tara, gawas na siya. So i-push na yung way. Push lang, good push lang ng push niya. Makuha. So you take up all these rubber dampeners, and what we're going to do now is we're gonna unscrew this part here and this part here to remove this portion, because this portion is for the USB where you can plug it, but we're gonna directly plug it to the computer. So we're just gonna remove this too. Yeah. One screw, two screw. So we're just gonna unscrew this thing out, take out those two screws, and then we're good to go. Oops. There. This is it. You remove it from the bottom. So as you can see here, you count 1, 2, 3. The third pin is the disable, the disable pin. So whenever power gets into it, it's a 3.3 power. Whenever power goes into it, it's going to disable the drive. So what we're going to do is that we're going to try to disable that pin. Usually they try to scrape it off, or they paint it or something. Or the best thing is you use a Kaftan tape, or I don't know how to pronounce it. Kaftan tapes, they have a different name of it here. I don't know, because I went to the computer shop earlier. No, electronic shop earlier, and yeah, they don't know what it is. They don't have it. But either way, I'm just gonna put Scotch tape on it, or sticky tape, or how do you call it, because it's the DIY. I just hope that this could handle high temperatures, because that tape could handle high temperatures, and if it's gonna get too hot, it might melt or something, but this should work for now. Yes. So basing from posts online, this 3, you just need to disable this one here, but this 2, you don't need those ones, so you can cover the 3 of them. So that way it's much more stronger, and the tape doesn't get removed. So let's just do that. Ito ning piloon nga rin para di siya matangtang. So we're just gonna try to see if the drive's okay, and then I'm not gonna film the computer and what says okay, because the thing is, I'm lazy today and I just want to get this done and over with. Okay, let's do this. So I didn't bother to check on my computer because I was a bit lazy, so I'm just gonna chuck it here and then put it on my drive and let the NAS do the reformatting or fixing of the drive. So let's go. So the result is it's good. It's still trying to rebuild everything, but other than that, it should be fine. Yeah, that should be it. So that's it for the day. Bye. So my drive's running out of memory because I've been transferring all the files. So I'm gonna go here to my dashboard, and then I'm gonna add drive. So once you add a drive, you add that drive, and it adds up to the whole array. So let's do this. So yeah, it's expanding now. The drive's expanding, and it should take around, I don't know, it's a 10 terabyte drive. It should take around 24 hours or at most, I don't know, 6. We'll see how long. Okay, it took around 24 to 48 hours to finish the expansion, so didn't bother to end the video, so I'm ending it here. See you next time.